What's up, Matt from Urchfab here. In today's video I'm going to be making my track day footage a lot more interesting with the help of Quad Lock. So today's video is sponsored by Quad Lock, and I'm going to be using all their stuff to mount the cameras in different positions all around the car, and then at the end of the video chop it all together and hopefully make a cool little edit with, you know, lots of different camera angles rather than just the one angle that I usually have pointing out of the windscreen. We got mounts that are designed to connect directly to roll cage tubing. We've got mounts that are designed to bolt down directly to flat surfaces. Some of the mounts even work as a bolt, so you can just take a bolt out of something, replace it with this single bolt mount. These all work as like a multiple piece kit. So you've got your base, which will be whatever you're actually connecting to the car itself, and then you've got the head, which has their sort of like patented quad twist locking mechanism. So I should be able to get the camera fitted anywhere that I think is going to create a bit more of an interesting shot with the camera. I'm using my trusty old GoPro Hero 7. I've also got a phone mount which mounts the same, so all of these will connect. I can put my phone there, film on my phone, or even use the phone as a display mounted somewhere to see what the camera's viewing. Also got a suction base mount as well. So I'd like to get some external shots as I'm driving around track, so I'll get one of my mates to drive around in front of me with this stuck on the back of their car, pointing backwards, and we can get some, hopefully get some good track shots from the exterior as well. Right, let's have a look. So this is set up for 40 to 60 mil roll cage tube, or 25 to 40. So we'll swap it out for this one. So that's a bit of 38 mil roll cage tube. That ain't going nowhere. So this is your base. So you then need like a head to connect to this, which will either be one of those or one of those, same thing. This one's just got a longer locking tab. And then I'm going to use this, which means I can just move the camera around a bit easier to get the angle that I want. So one end's got a hole through it, so you can connect this. So that's how that goes together. I could obviously not have this section and just screw that straight into that. But this obviously gives me a real ability to get the exact position of the camera that I want with that, so that's going to be really handy. So we'll stick that in the car and and see what different angles we can get, different shots. Alright, so did I achieve my goal of making my track day footage more interesting? I think I did. I had good fun doing it as well. Always great to get out on track. I mainly use this roll cage type mounting with a few of these different connectors in between. The car is full of tubes, so it makes the most sense. And I could pretty much get this mounted anywhere on the whole car, underneath, anywhere inside, just using this. The only other one that I used was the suction mount, which I put on the back of my buddy's Nissan Skyline that I was chasing around for a few laps. And yeah, all worked really well. It's good quality stuff. I never felt like the camera was at risk of coming off, so no worries there. And thanks again Quadlock for sponsoring the video. If you're interested in checking out any of their products, then there's a link in the description that will take you to their site, and you can check them out there. That was a lot of editing to put together what was, 3 laps of Thruxton with all the clips tying together and trying to make it flow as one thing. So I'm not sure I'll be doing it to that extent every time I do a track day, but it is going to be nice to be able to get the cameras anywhere where I possibly need it, and it is going to just make things more interesting moving forward. So thanks again Quadlock. That's going to be it for this one. Cheers for watching. See you on the next one.